Here we come to the elevator at the Shooting Star Lodge in Park City, Utah. It's a ThyssenKrupp, and this is a replacement button. The ceiling doesn't really match the walls, but that's okay, I guess. Proposed books. I hope everyone in the elevator community had a happy holiday, and I hope they have a great new year. Does it have to go over trick? Yes, it does. Alright, now let's go down to P again. And we'll do our cat view on the way down. Alright, so there, then again, this doesn't really match that ceiling. The ceiling's too modern. And this elevator was installed in 2006 when this building was built. So this actually looks like an older Dover button. I guess I just decided to never change it. There's the call button. ThyssenKrupp. Alright, now let's go up to 1 and do our building tour. Actually, let's ring that bell first. Nice sensor. There's a Chevy truck. Lovely buzzer. I'm not sure what that is.
Front desk.
Oh, I know what it is. That's the fire alarm panel.
Hi, David. Hi, David. What you doing?
This is Maxwell. Elevator-rama.
I don't want to be this.
Ooh, that's too bad. Well, it looks like the fire alarm panel is acting up. We're not going to touch it, but I'm not sure what's going on.